Hi, this is going to be a really quick video on how to do an embed on Google Maps. And first thing you want to do is you want to type in, say, an area or an address. And let's take a look at, let me see, bed and breakfast in Canada, right? Let's see what that comes up with. And tons of them, huh? Maybe find something with a nice round figure. That looks round enough. What do we have here? This is called Fairmont Chateau, Lake Louise. Pretty. So what you want to do is you come over here to share, and once you go to share, if you want to send a link, here's the link, HTTPS. You can copy that link and put it on, say, your blog or your website. But here I want to do an embed a map, and this is kind of large, so I'm going to make it a little small. And see, it's nice size, and da-da-da-da. Here it is, iframe. And you copy that that HTML, and it says, copy to clipboard. You find a clipboard, and drop it in, and you're good to go.